Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Info Roshan and I hope you are doing well. Friend, do you want to start a career in IT but don't know where to begin? What if I told you that TCS is offering a completely free course with a certificate to help you get started? And you can see here we are at the official page of the TCS and Career Edge. And friend, TCS is one of the company from the Tata Group. And you can see here the free certification course name is the TCS and Career Edge. And friend, it is a 2 week self-paced course by Tata Consultancy Services, and it is designed especially for students and non-IT graduates who want to learn the basics of the IT industry. And we are going to check the all the details, what types of things you will learn, how you will do the registration. And friend, the best part, anyone can join. You don't need any prior technical knowledge. It is a completely free. You just need to sign up on the TCS and portal. So we are going to check the all the details. So first you have to open the link which I have given in the video description box. Then you will come to this page here, and here you can see about the course is given here. You can see here. Basically, you can see this course is crafted for to empower non-IT graduates with the essential technical knowledge and competencies demanded by a workplace. And friend, you will learn the various things here like programming languages, then UI, it means user interface, then user experience, that is a UX, and various other things here. And friend, one of the very important thing that you will also get the discussion room. So if you have any doubt, you can post your queries and the moderator will respond your questions answers, and so that you can get it and understand. And friend, this is the self post course, so you can do at any time. So you can see here some other details are given regarding the course here, that duration required 2 week, and the total hour it will be required around 7 to 11 hours. And the course language is the English, and the course format is a online self-paced. So friends, self-paced means whenever you will get the time, you can complete it, whether it is a weekday or weekend, there will be no time limit. And as I have told earlier, that who will get benefit, that is undergraduates, graduates, postgraduates, and there is a no prerequisites here. So talking about the what are the various modules you can see here. You have to complete all these modules, and at the end you have to answer the question asked in the exams. So basically, before taking the certificate, there is an examination. You can see here this type of certificate you will get. Here you can see your name will be given on the certificate. What types of things you will learn here will be mentioned, and the course name, then start date, end date, and the certification ID, so that anyone can want to verify your certificates can verify. And the top you can see the logo of the Tata, and TCS sign will be given here. So let's take what types of modules you will learn here. So you can see the first module is the overview. Basically you will get the what are the various roles and responsibilities in the IT industries. Then the second module you will see here, that is IT job prerequisites. So what is the hardware, software, OS, peripheral devices, Microsoft Office tutorials? So all these things you will learn here. In the module 3, you will learn the UI, UX, then web and app development, manual automation testing, what are the QA, that is quality assurance. So you will learn these. In the trending technologies, so what is the cloud computing, and what is the cyber security, and what is the AI, that is artificial intelligence and machine learning, data science, robot process automation, which is also known as RPA, that is a robotic process automation, and the blockchain. So what are these all these things you have heard in the various in the social media platforms, in your colleges, by your colleagues or your seniors? So you will learn the in deep, that is what is this, so you can understand. Then the you can see in the module 5, that is a career. So what is the career in the IT industry? So you will learn here. At the end, you will assessment there, that is a summative assessment. So what you will learn in the module 1 to 5, the question will be asked from there only, and you have to do this assessment. And once you do this assessment, then you will get the certificate, simple certificate I have told you. So before going to check the how you will do the registration, if you have not subscribed InfoRosan yet, please subscribe. We are making the free certification courses, jobs and internship notification and technology related videos. So please subscribe InfoRosan. It will help us to create more and more content for you guys. So please subscribe InfoRosan. So talking about the registration, once you open the link, then you will come to this page here, and you will see here, subscribe for free is given here, top in left side. Then you have to click on that, and then you will come to this page. Uh, yeah, 1 minute. So once you click on the subscribe for free, then you can see the right side. This option will be open. So if you are the new users, you have to click on this register, and this type of application form will open. In which you have to write your name, email ID, mobile number, your state. Basically, this course is only for the Indian citizen. So you have to enter the state and the categories. You can see like you are the students or the working professionals. So you have to mention here, and then you have to create one password and do the registration. And friend, once you do the registration, and then you will means this course will add in your profile from where you can access it and complete it and get the certificates. And if you have any query regarding this free certification course on the IT primer, that is the information technology provided by the Tata Consultancy Group, TCS. So please comment on the video. We will definitely provide you answers, and please subscribe in for us. And thank you.